Hi, this is Leo today. Leo learns about data. Data means information. We make data every day. When Leo takes a picture, that picture is data. When Leo clicks a button, the click is data too. When Leo sends a message, the message is data. Pictures, clicks, and messages are all data. Data tells others what we like and do. Some data is private, we must protect it. Think before you share, your data is important. Pictures, clicks, messages equals to data. Some quiz. Leo takes a photo with his phone. What does the photo become? Should be B, data. Which of these is an example of data? Should be B, a picture. Leo clicks a big button on the screen. What does that click create? Should be B, data. Which action can create data? Should be B, clicking a button. Leo sends a message to his friend. The message should be A, data. Which of these is not data? That is D, a rock. Complete the idea. Picture plus click plus message equals to data, B. Why is data useful? Should be A, it helps computers understand things. Thinking question. Name the one thing you do every day that creates data.